In this video, I will demonstrate the navigation and setup of See & Spray, all from a home page. Looking at the home page, you can see we have a See & Spray status menu, and it says not active, no valve assigned. Assigning a valve is done through the nozzle control, and the fastest way to do it is to access the See & Spray menu. Using the shortcut for See & Spray, we'll access the See & Spray menu, and you can see I have the status, and I also have the ExactApply configuration. Choosing the ExactApply configuration takes me to the nozzle turret, or the spray method, or valve assign. In the setup, you can see that B only, I can change from broadcast to See & Spray. See & Spray is only available through the B tip. I also have the option to choose A plus B. B tip will be changed from broadcast to See & Spray, and tip A will always be assigned broadcast, meaning a steady broadcast constant out of tip A, but with the option of See & Spray out of B. As you can see, both methods are selected. Staying in the See & Spray menu, let's look at the status. In the status, you can see the processor, the camera, and the ambient light sensor. This is an overview for the entire boom, but I do have the option to toggle between each processor. Window shades as far as the speed and boom height. Our sprayer is stationary and our boom is folded, therefore we have a fault. The fallback mode is if the sprayer does encounter a problem, what should it do? Should it just not spray at all? Or if it does encounter a problem, let's spray all the time. The trigger level is the sensitivity for the fallback mode. Nozzle coverage. Should I have an individual or single nozzle body turn on, or should I have them overlap? Should I have the buddy on the left and right side turn on as well? Spray sensitivity is a setting from 1 to 5. As you see the change, number 1 represents a large weed, and number 5 represents a small weed. How sensitive do I want this sprayer to detect weeds? And the minimum spray length. Once a weed is detected and a nozzle body turns on, how long should that tip spray for? Small, medium, or large? 2.3 feet, 3.3 feet, or 4.9 feet? These are all the options within the See & Spray menu. Back at our home page, you can see the nozzle control is set for A plus B. If I use the shortcut A, B buttons on the command arm, I can switch from A plus B to A only. If I use the B button, I could switch to B only. When switched to B only, you can see that my See & Spray status is active. When I switch to A only, you can see it's not active because See & Spray is not out of the A tip. Holding both the A and B button together and then letting go, I could switch to the A plus B. System is active, spraying out of A all the time, See & Spray out of B. For the rest of the video, we'll leave it in B only. Next, let's talk about selecting my target rate for See & Spray, which is different from the ExactApply. A customer may think that you could change your rate from this target rate shortcut, but rate 1, 2, and 3 are for all ExactApply. See & Spray, the fastest way to access it is using the home page shortcut and then accessing the Spray System menu. In the Spray System menu is where I have my target rate for See & Spray. With my spray rate set for See & Spray, another good option that we need to demonstrate for See & Spray is the mapping. Let's make sure our legend and the layers within our legend is set to the rate. Once rate is selected, as the sprayer travels across the map, it will shade a darker color as far as coverage, but once I set my range, if my rate was 5, starting at 5.5 to 4.5, I can actually do an applied map for the individual nozzle sections, turning on for weed detection. B only, See & Spray, my map is set up, I have my rate, and then I can see the individual nozzles turn on through my boom menu. I can also check my See & Spray status icon for any faults.